Well, today is the 2nd of February, 2026, and the birds are going crazy. Look at them. It's like an anthill of little birds. We have a small bird feeding station because we've got a lot of praying birds in our area, and we don't want to make it easy for them to come and have lunch. And so we've got a lid on the top, keeping the food dry, and we have a base. And as you can see, there are no sunflower seeds on that base. And I put a jug full. Now, a jug, I'm saying 2 liters of liquid in the jug has gone onto that this morning. And we have shelled peanuts hanging in the feeders, and we have balls, and they are eating like, and the thing is, if you can see on all that foliage on the other side, there's a fence, and our neighbor has a cherry tree. You can see their cherry tree, and they are going to the cherry tree, down the garden to my right. I just took my hand away from the camera and they all flew away. And down to the right is a very old plum tree. And the birds come into that plum tree. It's about 50 yards away. And when they have a rest, they come up to the cherry tree, then they come onto the bird feeder. And of course, there's quite a lot of trees around as well. But we've never seen as many as this. I've just ordered some more peanuts for the hanging feeders. And I would fill one of those feeders every couple of days. Whoa, look at that. I don't know if you can see up into the tree, but they are coming into that tree. Hundreds and hundreds. And they say, look at them all. Look at them all sitting up in the branches. And it is a very cold day out there today, so they definitely need a lot of food. Definitely need a lot of food. So there they are back again. And the other important thing is to have some water for them handy. And a very simple method is just to get a post, hammer it into the ground, have it high enough that a cat can't come and leap up and catch a bird heading for the drink. So if you have it maybe 6 foot, 5.5 feet or so, hammer it into the ground, and then hammer or screw a nail through a large plant pot saucer base, which you stand your plant pot in, and hammer a nail or screw a screw in that into the middle of the post, and then get another plant holder the same size, and you just fill it up with water, and it sits in the first one. And that's the way it's very easy to just remove it off and refill it with water. They've got to be cleaned off every so often. So this is amazing. I'm going to go out and give them some sunflower seeds because they obviously need more food. Those peanuts are going down so fast. Amazing. I've never seen them like this before. This is absolutely amazing. Now they've all flown away. Took my hand down again. But you can see them up in the trees. There they go. And they say They say that what you see on your bird feeder at any 5 or 10 minute time is only 10% of what you're feeding in the area. I mean, these are not the same birds that are coming and sitting all day eating. They have very small stomachs, and so they come and they spend maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and they're full and they're good to go. And then, another, your 10% is continually changing all day. And these are going from morning till night, from dawn till dusk. Well, maybe not dawn, a bit later than dawn because it's too cold in the mornings, but probably dawn till dusk. Anyway, we've gone over 5 minutes, so I'm going to finish here. Okay, bye for now. Well, I will be gone.